What's up, guys? Welcome back with another video. I just want to make a video of all these birds. Look at them. Listen to that sound. I'll zoom in a little bit. In the cold. I'm not sure when the birds move south, like where it's warm. I'm not too sure. I forget. I would say next month probably. I don't know. Sometimes they stay here when it's cold because, you know, some birds like it. Is that nuts? There are some there. Look at it. Man. Just listen to that sound, too. See what happens if I drill my ball. Oh, there they go. They're starting to fly away. Some of them just flew off. As you can see over there. There goes another one that just left. Oh, it went in that other tree. Some birds are starting to leave that tree right there. When all these birds are gone, I'll stop the video. Oh, some more are coming back. They put one over there. Anyway. Basketball accidentally slipped out of my hands. Wow. There goes some more. Oh, some more are leaving. Some more are coming back. It's like they leave and come back, you know? Huh. That's a lot of noise for just how many birds there are over there. Gosh. Woo! That didn't work. Oh, there they go. Wow. I guess that barking noise got to scare them. So, hope you enjoyed the video of all the birds. Thank you for watching.